In this unit, we will learn about data distributions. Mean. Commonly used in sports to find out a score in sports like football, basketball, and cricket. Mean is also known as average. How we can find mean is, these are the steps to find mean. Add all the numbers or add up all the values to get your total, then divide the total by the number of values you added together. For example, we have been given 6 numbers over here: 3, 4, 8, 7, 5, 3. Step number 1 says add up all the values to get the total. So 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 7, 7 plus 8 is 15, 15 plus 7 is 22, 22 plus 5 is 27, plus 3 30. Number 2, divide the total by the number of values you added. How many values are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will divide my 30 by 6. And my answer is what? My answer is 30. So the average for these values is 5. Question says find the mean or average of each set of numbers. So our step number 1, what it says what? Add up all the values to get the total. So I will add all the numbers over here: 6 plus 15 plus 16 plus 20 plus 13 plus 5 plus 10 plus 16. And the step number 2, what it says divide the total by the number of values which has been given to you. So this is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Alright, 8 over here. So after this I will use my calculator to solve this. Okay, so I can get my answer. So what I am doing is I am adding all the values in my calculator, and I am done. Okay, and divide by how many values are these are 8s. So if you are using a scientific calculator, use this feature fraction button. Now I'll press the equal sign over here. My answer is 101 divided by 8. So I write over here 101 divided by 8. But I will, since I know it is a fraction, so what I will do is I will go back and I will press this button over here. So my answer is 12.625. So the average or mean for these set of numbers is what? 12.625. Find the mean of the following set of numbers. So what are our steps? Steps are, I'll write it over here, mean is equal to add all the numbers, so or add all the values to get their total. So I'll write it like this: 12 plus 10 plus 5, and I will count how many numbers these are: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I will use my calculator to find the mean of these values. 9 plus 12 plus 10 plus 5, and I will divide this by what? I'll divide this by 6. Okay, so please cross check you have entered all the values correctly, because if you will add wrong in a wrong way, then you will get the wrong answer. Answer is 10 over here. So my answer for this is 10. Start making use of your calculators. So this is your mean, that is your 10 over here. Again, in this question we have been asked to find the mean. Mean and average are same mathematical concepts, only the name is different. What you do, how you find the average? You add all the values which have been given to us: 12 plus 18 plus 5 plus 8 plus 15 plus 2 plus 9 plus 17 plus 1, divided by how many they are: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I will use my calculator to enter these values and I will find the answer. So what I've done, I have added all of the values and divided by 9. My answer I'm left over is what? 29 over 3. 29 over 3. But what I will do is I will again divide this. I will use the fraction, I will use the button which is over here to I can get my answer in the decimal form. So 9.666. I will just take two digits after decimal. So my answer is what? 9.66. That's your answer for this question. Now our next question says, what is the mean of the following numbers? 10, 39, 71, 39, 76, 38, 25. And we have been given these choices A, B, C, D. But which one is the correct choice? So we'll write the formula. Mean is equal to add all the numbers and divide by how many they are. So 10 plus 39 plus 71 plus 39 plus 76 plus 38 plus 25. How many numbers I am having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I will type this in my calculator and I will try to find your answer. So this is your 10 plus 39 plus 71 plus 39 plus 76 plus 38 plus 25. And how many total numbers are these? These are 7. So I will divide this. My answer is what? 42.5. So it's 42.57. As I can see, option C, that's the correct choice over here. 42.57. This means what? Option C is the correct choice over here. Question over here it says, what number would you divide by to calculate the mean of 3, 4, 5 and 6? So what is the formula for our mean? Mean is equal to add all the numbers and divide by how many they are. So how many they are? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now question is asking, what number would you divide by? So what number we are dividing by? We are dividing by number 4. So what is my answer? My answer is what? Number 4. This is my answer. Option choice D. That is my answer for this question. What measures of central tendency is calculated by adding all the values and dividing the sum by the number of values? So what do you think is the answer? Yes, you are correct. Answer choice is B, mean. The definition of mean is says add all the values and divide their sum by the number of values. Good job.